On certain questions involving systems, they're going to talk about the number of solutions that system has, and you really have three options. Either it has one solution, and that's what we saw in the previous questions. Those systems had one solution of an ordered pair x and y. So you're getting, a value for x and y, but there's just one pair of that. Or you can have a system with no solutions, so there's no ordered pair x, y that satisfies it. Or a system with infinite solutions, so a system where there's a lot of possibilities. When you have a system of equations, if you want to determine what those coefficients have to be such that you have no solutions or infinite solutions, here it is. For the case of no solutions, you want these coefficients, a, b, c, d, to be in proportion. So we want the ratio of a to c to be equal to the ratio of b to d. But we do not want that to be equal to r to s, because if it's equal to the ratio of r to s, that's when you have infinite solutions. So just remember, for no solutions, you want the ratio AC, BD to be equal, but not equal to RS. And if it's infinite, AC and BD and RS, those ratios should all be equal. If your system of equations has one solution, then you know that the ratio of AC will not equal the ratio of B to D. And if you want to go back to those previous two questions and just verify that indeed those ratios are not equivalent, that will confirm that yes, there's one solution.